Hello again. I'm working on the Schumacher Mission again. Um, like I said before, I wanted to put a shorty lipo in it. And also, like I said in the last video, the idea was to rework the dimensions on this shock stand. Um, the design came off of Thingiverse. It was a free download. And so I went into the Slicer software, reworked the dimensions, and this is what I came out with. Battery fits nicely in there, and I've just got to make some minor modifications to allow me to use a strap. I'll be gluing that in there with that E6000. Got a piece of foam from an old yoga mat that I'm going to use to put in the bottom, and the strap for it. So let me get a little bit of work done, get this modified, and then I can start getting it box mounted in there so I can progress with the rest of the electronics. And I'll film some more once I get the box modified and I'm ready to put it in. Alright, I've got the battery box modified. Use a soldering iron to put the slot for the strap. The strap just fits right around it nicely. Holds it in the box nice and tight. That won't go anywhere. It'll be fine. I just need to get this actually glued to the chassis itself, and I'll be ready to go with that. So let me get that done. Okay, I've got the battery box installed, and it fits actually quite nicely. It's glued in there with the E6000. It's not going to go anywhere until I want it to go somewhere. And I'd go ahead and finish up with putting the electronics in it. There. Get that. Stay out of the way. Got an Apex servo in it. Hobby Wing speed control, the 21.5 turn motor I've put in here. It looks a little tight, but it's not as tight as it could be. But overall, now I just got to get that Corvette body painted up, and I'll be ready to take this one out and have a little bit of fun running it. Y'all have a good one.